Even as the government is preparing to get a cabinet nod on the decision to repeal the new farm laws at the next meeting on Wednesday, the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha wrote to PM Modi on Sunday, urging him to immediately resume talk on 6 demands, including a legal guarantee on minimum support price. The violation of November 12 and 13 was a conspiracy to create unrest in the state, and police are taking one-sided action against BJP, VHP and Bajrang Dal activists, that leader of opposition in the state legislative assembly Devendra Fadnavis here on Sunday. The Congress government in Rajasthan returned to its full strength of 30 on Sunday with a careful, orchestrated reshuffle that marked the run of two sacked ministers and seemed to have enough in terms of representation for former Deputy CM Sachin Pilot to bury the hatchet with CM Ashok Gehlot after 16 months of wrangling. Newly appointed India chief coach Rahul Dravid says that 3-0 result over New Zealand augurs well for the team in the long run, but at the same time he is realistic enough to not read too much into the overall outcome, with Black Caps having to play the series 3 days after the T20 World Cup final. Water supply continued to remain affected in parts of H West Ward, which covers Bandra, Khar and Santa Cruz for the second consecutive day. In an interim order that comes as a relief to bar owners, the Bombay High Court has stayed a December 2019 notification issued by the Mumbai Police Commissioner that hiked annual premises license fees for bars with orchestra permits. US President Joe Biden has conveyed to its supporters that he plans to run for the White House again in 2024 in an apparent effort to quell Democratic disquiet and infighting amid falling poll numbers for himself and his party. The ban on construction activists in the capital has been lifted effectively Monday. A Dutch NGO got relief from the Supreme Court after its complaint against an Andhra Pradesh-based family-run NGO accused of dumping it of Rs 24 crore over a period of 10 years in the name of providing secure to 5,000 differently abled children in 300 villages of the state was quashed by Andhra Pradesh High Court. This year, the Prakash Purab of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji became even more special with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement that the 3 farm laws would be repealed and the reopening of the Kartarpur Sahib corridor. A fresh wave of protests broke out in several European cities and in some French overseas terrorists on Sunday as protesters reacted sometimes violently to move to reintroduce coronavirus restrictions. Shilpa Shetty treated her fans with some priceless throwback pictures for her wedding day as she wished her husband Raj Kundra on her 12th wedding anniversary.